Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade gold right here on Deriv. And if I tell you Deriv, I mean the MetaTrader 5 that I'm using right here from Deriv. Because right now we are here on the chart and I will show you exactly how to buy gold. So let's start right here with searching for gold. And then we go right here to search symbol and then we fill in right here gold. Then you will find right here XAUUSD, and that means gold versus US dollars. So this is exactly what you need to know. So if I click right here on the XAU US dollars, you will find right here the chart of gold. So what we're going to do right now is you can do your analyze if you want to do that. And then after that, we select new order. Then we fill in right here for how much volume we want to buy gold. So let's do 1. Sorry, do we have? No, okay, let's do, yeah, 1 is fine. And then what we're going to do right now is we select right here a take profit or a stop loss if you want to do that. But for now, I just show you how to buy. And then we click here on buy by market. Then it tells us not enough money because we are not that rich. So what we're going to do is we do exactly this. And now we do buy by market and now the execution is failed. So then if you scroll down a little bit, you will find right here that we created ourselves a 0.01 volume of gold. So this is in a nutshell how you can buy gold on Deriv. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.